I haven't just used this light in the studio. I've used it for shooting models, for filming a chef, for filming a cooking project, for filming a stable, for filming a hotel, and for filming a series of promotional teasers. After using it in all these locations and under different lighting conditions, now I can confidently share my opinion about this product with you. The main feature of this light isn't just its high power. More importantly, in almost every location I took it to, I was able to use this light in a different way. This Nanlite 720C is a 750 watt full color light, and in this video, instead of just reading its specs to you, I want to show you the real results of using it in my projects. Hi, I'm Dariush, and if you've been watching my videos on this channel for a while, you've probably noticed that for more than 2.5 years, I've been using the Nanlite brand for lighting in my videos and projects. The light I want to talk to you about today, the Nanlite 720C, is a very impressive full color light. So why is this light so impressive? Because I can have 3 different things I want in this product at the same time. High power, complete control over color, and a lot of flexibility for different projects. But before I get into the projects where I use this light, let's take a quick look at what the Nanlite 720C actually is. The FC-720 is a full color, 750 watt light, and the first thing you notice when you work with it is its immense power. But for me, what's more important isn't just the number on paper. What matters is how this power actually helps me in real projects. For example, when I put a large softbox with several layers in front of the light, naturally I lose a lot of light intensity. That's when having 750 watts really proves its worth. I still have enough power. I still have enough power to have a large, soft, and at the same time strong light source. The FC-720C or RGBW full color light isn't just a powerful light. Its color temperature range starts from 2400 Kelvin and goes up to 12,000 Kelvin. This means we can have a very warm light or even create a very cool light. In addition to this, I also have green and magenta adjustment. This might not seem very important for everyday use, but on set, it's actually really practical, especially when you're in a location with several different light sources. For example, the ambient lights themselves have a bit of green in them. Instead of having to fix everything later in color grading, I can get exactly the light I want right there on set. Now let's move away from the specifications and see exactly how I use this light in my projects. Here we can see one of the special advantages of the 720C. Here I used 2 720Cs as my backlights to create the exact color I wanted behind the model and right behind the scene we had set up for it. This way I didn't lose any light intensity or color. At the same time, I used an FC500B to cast a nearly moonlight-like light from behind at a 45-degree angle toward the model to brighten them up just a bit. In the next project, since we wanted to do the filming at 5 in the afternoon, I needed to create a sunset light inside the stable. So I needed a light that wasn't too weak but also didn't look artificial. Here I used the Nanlite 720 and again the Nanlite 500B. In fact, I directed the 500 straight at the subject and placed the 720 behind the stable in such a way that it looked like sunlight was coming into the stable. I recorded this shot and you're watching this video now. Exactly like this project, when I wanted to film the chef inside the house, I realized that no matter what I did, I couldn't get the sunrise or sunset light inside the house at the moment when this person was supposed to be cooking. I decided not to sacrifice the space for the sake of the image, and instead, with proper lighting, to create the feeling and atmosphere of sunlight shining in during cooking, so that when the steam rises from the pot, it conveys a more beautiful feeling to the viewer. So again, I placed a 720 outside the house to give the viewer the sense that sunlight is entering the home, and the result is the very image you're seeing now. Since most of the projects I work on are commercials and advertising teasers, in most places I go, I use the 720 light as a powerful source to illuminate the space for me. But in some cases, like the setup in the studio, I used it as a colored light in the background. Why? Because in that space, the area was so small that I could use 2 720s. Why? Because in that space, I didn't need a lot of light. So I decided to use 2 720s for the background color, and with a 500 light, I slightly illuminated the model as I wanted for the background. After I used this light in different projects, there were a few things about it that, just like I mentioned at the beginning of the program, were appealing to me. First of all, its power. Second, the fact that it's full color. The fact that I have the flexibility to adjust the color temperature anywhere from 2400 to 12,000 Kelvin, so I can set exactly the value I want and have my desired Kelvin. This allows me to have completely different lighting in various projects. Another point is its versatility. In my opinion, that's one of its most important features. Why? Because with this light, I've shot portraits, filmed cooking, worked in stables, done hotel projects, and most importantly, outdoor advertising projects. But obviously, this light isn't for everyone. What does that mean? It means that when we're talking about this light, we're not talking about small projects. Now, the main question is, who is the FC-720C light actually suitable for? If you're sitting at a desk recording content for YouTube, you really don't need a light like this. Just like right now, I'm recording this program with two 120 watt lights, one shining from above and the other at a 45-degree angle. But if you're a filmmaker, a commercial videographer, work in a studio, or frequently go to locations where you need to control the lighting, that's when the FC-720C is the light you should use. If you'd like to see more tests and tutorials from me on different Nanlite lights, you can subscribe to my channel. Because in upcoming videos, I want to talk to you about other Nanlite lights.